morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. This is once again Lance Legaspi, ang inyong amigong na Bisaya diri sa UK. Welcome back to my channel, but if this is your first time, please don't forget to hit the subscription button and click the notification bell so that you will be updated on my videos. Today, I'm gonna be making another Christmas decor, but this time around, I'm gonna be using fresh plants for my wreath. So, I have here the materials. So, I've got some grass, sort of plants. This is very nice because it's silvery, so it's silver, it's white, and of course the corrugated holly. And I've got berries here, and evergreen, and then of course the spruce, the Christmas tree spruce, and I've got some pine cones, and then of course my Christmas ribbons, wire, and rubber bands, and of course pattern. So first thing first is we have to bundle first our plants so that later on as we assemble it on the cruise, it will be a lot easier. So it's just very simple. I'm gonna show you how. You're actually bundling it like a bouquet. So let's just continue and until everything will be bundled. So we have everything bundled now. So it looks like this now with the berries on it and then no berries in it. So we'll do this alternately. So let's start. still gonna make 3 more because I need 4 for the decorations. So, something like this.